Hey, this is Daryl Thompson, and in today's action-packed video, I am playing for you the solo from the Planetshakers song Fall On Me, the heavy version. Now, two things before we start in under 15 seconds. Go, if you like what you're seeing here and you don't want to miss out on anything else that I produced, then go ahead and subscribe. Number two, if you stick around to the end of this video, and this video is at least a week old, I will provide you with a link to the lesson where I teach you how to play the solo. What are we waiting for? Let's watch the solo. Very good. So as promised, if this video is at least a week old, right here you'll find a link to the lesson where I teach you to play the solo, or if you want to watch any of my other Planetshaker covers or lessons, you can look at any one of these videos right here. Otherwise, have a great day.